Yo, hello guys. Good morning everyone. Hope you guys are doing good. So yep, we are back live and direct here on YouTube today. So, you know, we just come here and check on you guys and see how far we can trade one or two pairs in a day. So let's see what the market has for us today. So, but officially I got into one trade for the day, and the market is just doing what it's doing. So I don't control the market, guys. I don't control the market, so I just do analysis and everything, get into the market and ride it all the way to where my take profit is gonna be, right? So that's just how I trade in the forex industry, guys. So it is very, very important for us to you know to know exactly what's going on in the market. So yeah, Flying K is saying that hi Israel, hello bro, up you good. JK is saying let's get it man, up you good. So welcome each and every one of you. I'm welcoming you guys, right? So I just want to welcome you with a trade that I just got in, which is GBP USD. I just bought GBP USD, guys. So if you are interested in this trade, you can just get into and buy it all the way to the upside, right? Because our trade for yesterday, yeah, which was Euro JPY, it hit our stop loss, guys. So I got stopped out. You can see Euro JPY pushed back up to the upside, respected this trend line, right? So I was expecting this to go down to the downside, but unfortunately the market just broke out of this particular resistance area, broke out of this daily resistance zone as well. Boom, pushed back up to the upside. So you can see the power of stop loss, guys. So once you are using stop loss, definitely no need for you to be blowing up your account and things like that. Because as I got into this trade, I knew that okay, I'm going to lose 50 pips on this, and this is how much I'm going to be losing in dollars if it should just hit my stop loss, right? I lost about $2,500 yesterday, so on this particular trade. So it is what it is, guys. So no excuses, no complaint to make. We move on. This is the market, and this is how it does. So it's either we have stop loss hit or take profit hit. So yeah, this trade hit my stop loss, and that just what happened on this particular trade. But for the day, I just got into GBP USD. I bought GBP USD, guys. So let's see how far this trade can move and things like that. So officially I'm in GBP USD trade. So I don't know if some of you guys are in it, but me personally, I got it. This is my entry point. You can see it right here. TP, stop loss and everything, risking 50 pips to make 100 pips as well right here. So yeah, my first trade of the week was Euro JPY, and Euro JPY hit my stop loss, guys. It hit stop loss. So since that hit my stop loss, I don't have no excuse to make. So yeah, no complaint, no nothing, guys. We move on to the next trade, right? So let's see how far we can go with this. Okay, what's going on? I'm having something. You guys can still hear me? What's going on, man? You guys still hear me? Okay, we are still here. Sorry guys, we lost connection or something like that. Let's see what's going on here, man. Okay. Let's see. We are having some interruptions, so what's going on, man? Yo, can you guys hear me? Okay. Let's see what is going on here. Can you guys hear me? Just write it down in the chat section. Okay, Godfrey is saying that good morning, good morning. Okay, good morning, bro. How you doing? I lost some connection earlier, so but hopefully now we are back and you guys can hear me. So that's good. That's good. You know, let me share the link with our students. Let's see what is happening. Okay, so with that being said, guys, I want to just talk a little bit about our today's sponsor, so which is Trader Central. So Trader Central are funding ecosystem, so they fund retail traders. If you just look at my previous videos and stuff like that, I talk much more about Trader Central. So if you are a retail trader that in need of capital to trade and things like that, Trader Central is the way for you to go. They are fantastic, guys. They are fantastic, and on your first plan you get about 30% discounts, and their pricing is very, 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 very interesting. Like their price, this is the only funding ecosystem that you see out there that has the lowest price so far. Trader Central, I give them credit for that. So Trader Central is the way to go if you are actually a trader that is looking out for a funding program, right? So they will fund you up to $200,000. So yeah, can I ask a question? Somebody is trying to ask a question. So that's that about Trader Central, guys. Link down in the description below if you want to join Trader Central, right? So yeah, let's continue with today's trade. Let me see what's going on, and let's share the link to our channel, to our free Telegram channel and the premium and stuff like that, so that they can come and join us live and direct as well. It is very, very important. So let me go down on my Instagram handle and tell them, hey guys, we are live on YouTube. Okay, so I'm trying to update those who are on my Instagram account, guys. Boom, there we go. So yeah, as I was saying, this is GBP USD, guys, and I'm in this trade like I said earlier on, right? So that's it. Let me see what you guys are saying in the chat section. Okay, JK is saying that can I ask a question? What percentage of your trade do you close at TP1 and TP2? I just trade my stop loss. I trade my stop loss, not that I close the trade. I trade my stop loss, meaning that I adjust my stop loss, right? So say this is first take profit, and if eventually the market come up and hit my first take profit, what I do is that I adjust my stop loss, or I minus 30 pips from the original stop loss, which is going to be now 20 pips, right? So if eventually and I have a second take profit hit, that means if my stop loss is 50 pips, I will then minus 50 from the stop loss. Now my stop loss is going to be at break even, right? Then I will now wait for the market to go up and hit my final take profit. So that's just the reason why I'm putting my first take profit, second take profit, and third take profit. Not that I just close some trade or something like that. I set my stop loss at break even and things like that. And of course, you can be closing percentage of your trade. You can close like 1% of it, 0.5%, and things like that. But me personally, I tell you what I do. So that's what I actually do. Whenever time you see me, or whenever time you see my first take profit hit, second take profit hit, and things like that. So it is very, very important for you to be protecting your capital, guys. You know, that's your task as a trader. So it is very, very important for you to be protecting your capital as always, guys. Never forget this. So I just have about 30 minutes to spend here. I don't have crazy time today, guys, with you. You know, it is what it is. So that's why I just come up live and direct here, so we can just do one or two things. So yeah, like we usually do. If you have any particular pair that you want me to analyze for you, you can just go down in the live chat section and say, hey Israel, check out this particular pair for me, and I will gladly do that, so that we can just know what exactly is going to happen when the market start to move, right? Of course, this is a London session, so we are in London session. Definitely the market is moving, right? So the market is moving, guys, and let's see what's going to happen, right? Okay, so JK, hopefully that had answered your question. So if you still have more questions, you can let me know before we go ahead and continue to do what we are supposed to be doing for the day, right? So this is euro, this is GBP USD, guys. Let's go down to 30 minutes time frame. So you can see 30 minutes time frame, the market came down and retraced this level. Now it's trying to push back up to the upside. 15 minutes, you can see 15 minutes as well, still the same thing. In 5 minutes, you can see 5 minutes as well, still the same thing, you know. So yeah, the market is going to go and continue to go back up to the upside after it breaks out of this level, guys, on this 5 minute time frame. Let me put it right here. So this is 5 minutes, and I'm going to set the color to white, meaning that this is off plan, right? Meaning that I don't actually put support and resistance on my 5 minute time frame or something like that. But this is something interesting. Once the market breaks out of this and continue to push back up to the upside, that's what I'm going to be seeing on GBP USD 5 minute time frame. So let's see what exactly is going to happen on this, and you know, so we can just be monitoring our trade, guys. So yeah, also I'm in volatility 75. I sold volatility 75, guys. This is V75, so I'm in like 200 and something pips right now. So you know, one thing with this binary chart is that once you close your window, then your analysis is not being kept, you know, because I'm done with the analysis on this. But right now you can see all of my analysis has been cleared, so it is what it is, no problem. So far I still know what is happening and things like that. So I mean, volatility 75 as well. So this is going to be my final take profit right here. Is going to be my target, guys. That's my target on volatility 75. So let's see what the market is going to do in few hours from now. Very, very important, right? So that's it, and let's see what is going to happen next, guys. So like I said earlier on, if you have any particular pair that you want me to analyze for you, you can just say, hey Israel, check this particular pair for me, and things like that. Then I will do that, right? So you guys can see what is happening on GBP USD right now. So let's continue to wait and see what exactly is going to happen, guys. So 30 pips, that's what we are expecting on GU. So let's just specify that this is 30 pips for easy identification, right? So this one here, the 30 pips, guys. So what do you guys see about you know, on GBP USD? What do you guys see? Because me right now, I'm seeing a buy to go to the upside. That's why I bought this particular trade, and that's one of the reasons why I'm in this trade, right? Okay, JK is saying that, is there a reason why you like V75 more than gold, U30, EDC? Oh yeah, there's a reason, because V75 doesn't actually do nothing with fundamentals, right? It has no, fundamentals is not affecting volatility 75, not nothing. So if I want to trade a volatile pair, it should be V75, and V75 obeys the rule of market pattern, very, very well, guys. So, and also it does not have nothing to do with fundamentals in the market. So, not if you are trading volatility 75, you don't care about news and all of these things. You don't care about them. So that's why I just chose V75 more than US30, gold, and so on and so forth. And of course, not that I don't trade them before. I traded them, just that I choose volatility 75 much more than them now. So now I'm in profit. Let me just check my account. How much am I making right now? I'm $2,500 in profit right now, which is 250 pips in profit on volatility 75. So you guys can see. So with V75, you can also make decent amounts of money in real time, right? So that's one of the reasons why I just like V75. Okay, guys. So yeah, if you did not give this video a thumbs up, you can do that right now, and also you can share the video with your friends and family. Very, very important. So let's go down and check what's happening on GU. So this is GU, guys. So this is GBP USD, and let's see what is going to happen here on GU. Like I said, I don't have crazy time today here. I will just spend like 30 minutes, then I gotta go and focus on other things, right? I have live outside YouTube, outside trading and things like that, guys. So you guys are supposed to understand that. And of course, I know that some of you understood it, right? So that's just how it is, guys. So so Geo right now is trying to push back up to the upside. So let's see what Geo is gonna give us. Very, very okay. V75 is still pushing to the downside. Let's keep on waiting. All right. So yeah, let's check out for fundamentals. What's happening? Okay. We're going to be having a housing stats for USD. So, but there's no GBP news. It's only USD, right? And that's a high volatile news. So let's see what is going to happen. Here we have building permits. Yeah. So we just have USD news here, and we'll be expecting results to come out negative. Oops, you are lost. Okay. How to say that? I'm lost. No problem. All right. So let's just see what is going to happen, guys. Yup. Okay, JK is saying thank you for your time and excellent teaching. Yeah, thank you very much for your time as well. I appreciate it. Really, really appreciate it, guys. So thank you very much. And let's just see what is going to happen here on GU. Because like I said, I'm in GU. You all can see GJ had flew up to the upside as well. So yeah, let me just try to explain something on GJ, guys. In our last time that we did analysis, I say that GJ, if it breaks out of this and come down to this support level, may go back up for another retracement, then I'm ready to sell it right here. But if GJ is not able to do that move, I say that I'm not selling it, right? So you guys can see what happened is GJ is not able to break out of this support level and come down to this support, right? Rather than GJ just respected this support and boom, push back up to the upside. So you can see how many pips is this. Hadn't been we bought this, could have gotten like 240 pips. So it is what it is, guys. GJ is still pushing to the upside, but definitely we must see a pullback, or we might see a reversal coming soon for just a massive retracement that is going to happen on GJ. So that's just what is going on with GJ right now. So we will see what exactly is going to happen in the meantime, right? So that's it, man. All right, let me go down and check what you guys are saying. Like I said, I just have about 10 minutes more in order for me to go and do another thing, you know. So let me check something. Okay, what you guys are saying. Okay, Godfrey is saying that Euro GBP, please. Okay, I'll try to go down and check Euro GBP. So New Time is saying that Israel, please, what is your second and third take profit on GBP USD? Okay, I will try to review that to you. Let's get it. All right, let's get it, bro. Thank you very much for joining us today. Let's go down and check GBP USD. So this is GBP USD right now. My second take profit on GJ is 1.30829. That's the price. 1.30829. That's the price of my second take profit. Then the final take profit is 1.31331. Final take profit is 1.31331. That's my final take profit on GJ. I mean on GU, which is for 100 pips. So it is for 100 pips, and second take profit is for 50 pips. So that's it, and that's what I'm seeing on GBP USD right now. So let's go down and check Euro GBP, since that's what you guys said I should check out for you, right? So this is Euro GBP. So Euro GBP, guys, I'm expecting it to continue to go down to the downside, since it has been pushing to the downside lately. So you know, just the reason why I say EG is going to go down to the downside is because the correlation between EG and GU is negative. So if GBP USD is buying, definitely definitely Euro GBP is going to go down to the downside, and of course that's what is happening right now. You can see this is an interesting structure here. So from where it is right now, we can expect the market to push down to the downside, which is going to go down to this level. Let me just show you guys. So this level here. So that's going to be the targets right now on EG, which is Euro GBP, right? So expect Euro GBP to come down to this point, which is going to be for how many pips? Going to be for 80 pips. So that's 80 pips move on Euro GBP, whereby GBP USD is going to go for like 100 pips. So that's what is actually happening right now on what is it called it, on Euro GBP. So let me go down and see what you guys are saying. Will you stream on YouTube more often? Yeah, for sure, man. You know that I was kind of busy, that's why I was not streaming on YouTube. So right now I just got about 30 minutes today. So if I get back home early before New York market opens, definitely we'll still come back live and direct on YouTube again. So yeah, as I was saying, we are going to be live streaming every day on YouTube, like every blessing day. So we are going to be live streaming, you know, during London session and also New York session. So just expect me to come live during that period. So every day we are going to be live streaming now on YouTube. So even weekends we are going to be doing weekly analysis and things like that during weekend, right? So you can see, let me see how much I'm making on V75 right now. So now in, you know, more than $3,000. So $3,000 on V75, that's nice. and it's still pushing. It has not reached my target yet, so let's see what is going to happen, guys. And of course, I say Euro GBP is going to go down to the downside. That's what I'm seeing on Euro GBP, guys. So you can just go down and check that as well. Very, very important, right? So yeah, guys, like I said, we don't have much time here, so remember 5 minutes. So if you got more questions, just let me know so that I can just answer your question before I go ahead and end this stream for the day, so that we can go and do one or two things as well. It is very, very important. So yeah, that's just it, guys. You can let me know if you have any particular question that you want me to answer for you, because right now we are done for the day. So I just took one trade, and let's see how this trade is going to play out, guys, which is GBP USD. You can see GU now is trying to push back up to the upside. Let's see what is going to happen. So we are back in profit, guys, on GU. Back in profit. So that's it, man. You can see we are back in profit on GBP USD. So if you bought this particular pair, remember, guys, please trade with a good risk management. Trade with a very, very good risk management, because it will enable you to secure your account and to protect your account from it getting blown, right? So it is very, very important for you to be trading with a very good risk management. As always, just try and do that, guys. Try and do that. Okay, so now we already know what's happening with GU, right? So let's see, guys, if GBUSD is going to go and hit our first take profit. So let's see what is going to happen in few minutes, few hours, or any moment from now, right? So let's see what is going to happen, guys. Try to check something. So we just got about 3 minutes left here. Like I said earlier on, we don't have crazy time to spend here today, guys, so it is what it is. So I have to go and do some other things as well. But GU right now is trying to push back up to the upside. I kind of like the move right now. So I kind of like the move, guys. So yeah, which other pair do you guys check, or which other pair are you guys checking? Just for me to know and have an idea of what you guys are doing, right? So it is very, very good, guys. Okay, so this is it right now. Okay, guys, so that will bring us to the end of today's live stream. So I'll be updating you guys in our free Telegram channel, YouTube, Instagram, and so on. Whatever happens with GBP USD, right? Be it take profit hit, be it stop loss hit, whatsoever, I will be updating you guys for what's going on with GU, right? So I will try and do that. So yeah, once more, guys, thank you very much for each and every one of you that joined us, and I really appreciate it. So in our next next live stream, we'll come back and update you guys on whatever happens with GU, like I update you guys with Euro JPY, right? So Euro JPY hit our stop loss, and I updated you guys about it, saying that it had hit our stop loss, things like that. So you are not wrong if your trade hit stop loss. You are not wrong or something like that. Just you have to allow the market to do whatever that is doing, right? Just know where to put your stop loss. I just put my stop loss here. I knew that once the market break out of this resistance level, definitely is going to push back up to the upside and boom, continue to go up. So that's why I just put my stop loss above this. And of course, you see that it broke this level, the market just pushed up to the upside. All right, so let's check what is happening on GBP USD right now. So GU is still doing its own thing, you know. So let's just see what is going to happen in the meantime. So that's it, man. All right, guys, thank you very much for each and every one of you that joined us today. You know, I'm still